Amo. Kini mga na ba, wala lang kanon, lapak.
Ayan, wag na wala para uma na magpundo.
Human na?
Just be a queen, don't be.
Ikanta mo, wala pa kakanta mo niya.
Wala pa na sa. Tayo mo. Green ball. Green.
Later na bonus yun.
Itong labanda.
Kailangan na ito na nato kay para ko ay.
Boy, video to boy.
Video pala yan. Nandito na naman tayo sa bahay namin. Nilaro tayo ng palitaw. Pinalitaw-litaw sa tubig.
Palitaw.
Yan ah. Palitaw ito, palitaw. Pinalitaw-litaw sa tubig.
I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way.
Don't hide yourself and regret. Just love yourself and you'll say
I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. Oh, there ain't no other way, baby. I was born this way.
Baby, I was born this way.
Oh, there ain't no other way, baby. I was born this way. Baby, I was born this way.
Ano kita mo? Be a queen, don't be a drag.
Just be a queen.
Kasi lang, ang fair kay murag ako, murag wala day. Para po day, be a queen. Kanta tago!
Wait, sound. Wala yung gusto na.
Kaya.
Wala ko na itong mga bisexual.
Yan na katong
Kapit na.
Palitaw.
Go!
Ano palitaw na mo? Kami ini.
Okay na.
I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. Lesbian pa man to, hoy.
Video. Oh, nagluto may palitaw. Kato may result sa palitaw na mong boto.
Baby, I was born this way. Sunod. Love yourself and you say I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way.
Toko, baby, I was born this way. Shut up, Dad.
Laman.
Dapat.
Baby, I was born this way.
Tukot! Kulangan pa ba yun, no? Born this way. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way.
Tagaan ko na ito siya. Four.
Mama told me. Katong isa na kato.
Mama told me when I was young.
Utos nila.
Video boy.
Abi na tong fan be. Fan na na din na. Wait, dake, ako na ma-upload.
Sige. Video part 1 sa among ito gani?
Okay.
Livelihood and palitaw
Making.
Hi, mate.
Bye.
My name is
Bye sa uy.
My name is Princess Licani Kariam Saldivar 16. Palio.
Here, palitaw. Okay. Ciao for now.